right. Let's talk about Madoff. What exactly was going on with a $50 billion not hedge fund, whatever his company was. I guess he was a fund of a fund. $50 billion he's going to cost the American public and or international public. Have you thought about that at all and what the long-term ramifications are?
No, I'm not particularly familiar. I would refer to Lorrie. She's been following that story a little closer.
It's saying it's shaking the smaller countries' economies.
Is that right?
Oh yeah, no, very much. There's a lot of banks overseas that were heavily invested. There was one bank that was in for $2.5 billion, one bank.
Yeah.
And it was a small bank, and so they're literally insolvent because of this one Madoff going bankrupt. What I don't understand is what the difference is between a hedge fund or any kind of the funds that he's talking about versus a Ponzi scheme. Because the more they talk about that, the less I understand what the difference is between what he actually did for business and a Ponzi scheme. It seems like all of these are Ponzi schemes. Is that, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean...
Well, you're just transferring paper, you know, and move nothing paper around or something. I guess it could be tempting to take advantage of people.
But can you describe to me what a Ponzi scheme is?
Well, I don't know what the definition is. My perception is that it's some sort of intentional manipulation to deceive people.
Okay.
And for profit and gain.
Lorrie, Robert, you guys have any idea what a Ponzi scheme is?
A Ponzi scheme, in my mind, is kind of like a pyramid scheme, where it only works as long as it continues, and at some point it has to break.
But you're talking about a hedge fund, same thing. You're talking about the stock market. It only is, it's self-perpetuating. If stocks go down, the stock market falls. You know, people lose faith in the stock market. All you have left is a sheet of paper.
Yeah, that's why I like real estate so much, is because it's a tangible asset that has intrinsic value regardless of the market conditions. It will always have some sort of value. People will always need to eat. People will always need some place to live, and people will always die. And if you're in one of those three industries, then what you have is of some value at any point during any economy.
So what you're saying is that we should go into the funeral home business.
Well, or a mortician. You need to become a mortician, real estate agent, or what was the first one?
The real estate market.
So you restaurant owner. Yeah.
Grocer,
yeah.
People do need to.
Grocery store, restaurants aren't a need.
Yeah.
Very want.
But it seems like it's getting to the point now where people are going to tangible assets more. They're actually going towards things that like gold, and people are getting now. People are coming in and buying. You know, because prices have come down in Florida so much. People are coming in and actually buying at the discounts now. You wouldn't believe the prices. They're literally 50 cents on a dollar where they were. And that's where it's going to go to. So people are moving now from these Ponzi schemes and from the stock market, which is a trading paper, to actually something tangible, like real estate. And that's why we're getting, you know, we're getting good business. And this week, hopefully, will be a good week.
Well, Florida's one of the best places to live and play and retire.
What's the temperature like outside right now?
It's a great place to fish.
It is currently 72 degrees here in Florida.
And the high is supposed to be 81 today?
On December 15th.
81.
And
right?
the high
81
is
degrees.
Yes, the high is supposed to be 81 degrees today. And as you can see, George is clearly in his shorts and short sleeve shirts.
Look at those legs. Aren't those nice?
I didn't think twice
let me
about
zoom
it.
in on those things. Wow, nice hair. Yeah.
It's more than one piece. But.
Yeah. Well, anyway, so we're going to wrap this up, and hopefully we'll do these every single day. So, thank you. See you guys.
Okay, bye-bye.